Нашествие гигантских птиц-убийц.
Hey, I'm Tay, and this is the first day with snow in almost 2 months. The day when I decided to go out for some outdoor photos.
At first I thought that I was unlucky, but in fact it was a nice chance to make another kind of video, a tip video.
As you can see right now, I have a reflector with me. I have and I have a tripod, and also I have a big bag with everything that I need, and I didn't really use it all.
And it's the first tip I can give. Be ready to improvise. When you come to a park that you expected to have some small houses on tree trunks and no snow, and you come there and it's snowing and there are no small houses, be ready to improvise. And for some improvisations you won't need tripod, mat or reflector. Another tip for an outdoor figure photoshoot is to take a friend or friends with you. I asked my friend Mr. First to help me with the photoshoot. He agreed, and this way we looked intimidating enough for park visitors on a weekend. It helps to cope with people, but I must say that it doesn't help with pigeons. The next tip is an obvious one. Please stay warm if it's cold outside, or stay hydrated if it's hot outside. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I must say that after this shooting of Kaine, me and First went to a coffee shop for some hot cocoa. And this tip is somehow connected to the one about bringing a friend. When your friend is out to find the reflectors that you forgot in a coffee shop, you might find yourself before a security guy who doesn't want any birdhouses destroyed. And in this case, I advise you just explain that you are a photographer with an Instagram and it's your hobby. You love birds and you don't plan on harming any. It worked for me. And the last tip is about using your surroundings. As I said, I planned on shooting some small houses on tree trunks and there were none. I shouldn't have waited for so long, but anyway I tried to use my surroundings. I shot in a birdhouse, outside the birdhouse, on a birdhouse, and I thought that was it. But on our way out of the park, First noticed an interesting wall with a small place that would fit my skeletons perfectly. It was a nice way to finish the photoshoot and finally take some photos of my beloved skeletons. Also, by saying using your surroundings, I mean making your own. Like last year, I was shooting Diana Cavendish Nendoroid for her review and I just scooped some snow and made a nice background. In the end, the tips are: be ready to improvise, take some friends with you, stay warm, be honest with people, and use your surroundings.
Right now, I'm already done with all the photography and I'm going home. All in all, it was a nice practice and I hope there will be some nice photos. I hope this video was interesting to you. It wasn't something that I usually do, so if you like it, please leave a comment. It's been Tays and Figures, my name is Tay. Thank you for watching and bye!